Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Minecraft Gamers. Now I want to show you my new bot. This is a name of the Titanic bot. You can see my Titanic bot is a bumblebee bot like this. This is a bumblebee. This is a i4. This is like Star Wars bot. This is a rocket launcher and two spike. And this is a cannon. The cannon use a golden block. I have Optimus Prime bot because I'm not here on my cell phone, but I'm the tablet. I make this tablet because my handphone not have battery. And this is bot. This is a short video because I want to you if you want see my new boss. I'm not use mod our maps. I make alone. I don't see YouTube, I don't see the Google, no. I use my idea, creative man. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. I'm saying this is a short video because I want to everyone see my new boss, and it's rainy, it's not good. Okay? Is it a chicken? No, sheep, chicken. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't don't forget to like, comment and subscribe in my channel. Okay, thanks for watching.